Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to talk about Google Antigravity. So Google Antigravity introducing a new era in AI assist software development. So basically this is a new agentic development platform. While the core is a familiar AI powered IDE experience with the best of Google's model, anti-gravity is evolving the IDE towards an agent-first future with a browser control capability, an asynchronous interaction pattern, and an agent-first product from factor that together enable agent to autonomously plan and execute complex and end-to-end software tasks. So, why we built a anti-gravity? The reason is that to the home base for the software development in this era of agents, our vision is to ultimately enable anyone with an idea to experience and lift off, build that idea into reality. And from today's, the Google Anti-Gravity is available in the public preview at no charge with a generous rate limits on Gemini 3 Pro usage. And with that, the models like Gemini 3, we have started the hitting the point in the agentic intelligence where the models are capable of running for longer period of time without intervention across the multiple surface, and not yet for days at the time without intervention, but uh, we are getting closer to a world where we interface with the agents, a higher abstraction over individual prompts and tool calls. In this world, the product surface that enable communication between agent and the user should look and feel different, and the anti-gravity is an answer to this. So the core tenets, trust, and the product category like task list, artifacts, and verification, and then agent across editor, terminal, and browser, and then agent manager, and then artifact level feedback, and then self improvement to global knowledge base. And this is the related trust on anti-gravity. And if I'll talk about how to configure it and how to download it, so let me show you. As soon as you click in this particular link here, there is a step-by-step guide to how you will install. If you are Mac user, Windows user, or Linux user, so how we'll do that? As soon as you navigate to this page, click on download. So in download, three different operating system will see: Mac, Windows, and Linux. So based on your operating system, you will download it. So for me, like Mac OS, let me download it first, and then click on save. So once it's downloaded, then I'll install. Yeah, as you can see here, I just expand the downloaded the package DMG file. I just extract. Then it will be coming like this. Then what we'll do, we'll just drag and drop here. We'll drag drop in your application, and then you can see. So we'll check in the application. Now you can see the installation. After download, it will extract the file, then it will install it. So asking open it, just open it. You can see this screen will be like this. It will come and which one you want to. So after installation, so it will be so like this. Then what we'll do, we'll just click on open agent manager, and then you just log in. So let me give you some prompt to use anti-gravity, how anti-gravity will help me. So let me try. This is my 5 agent instruction I just put, and then how my anti-gravity is working for me, we'll check it. You can see everything is creating for me. I'm using anti-gravity already installed, and then I put some prompt to work on it. Let's see how anti-gravity is helping me to complete the task. You see, e-commerce backend application plan, goal description created, user review required. I mean, manually we need to review it whether it is correct or not. And then file project structure would be like this. First, main.py, then authentication, then catalog, then cat, then checkout, then test. All this would be the high level file and folder structure of this program. Then all the details explanation ready for me. So now asking me to, do you want to proceed with this? Yes, proceed. It's okay. Looks good for me. And begin implementation. Now implementation is uh, start implementing, and then in the left hand side you can see start writing the code here. Automatically writing code for me. Folder code. Every code is now writing. See. So personal assistance also I had tested yesterday. That was also very good option for me. And today also as for the prompt, creating end to end, like designing, planning, code writing, deploying, testing, every single requirement is creating for me. So how powerful it is, you can see now. Code is in catalog, sorry, service file created, route file created, auth file created, and now the service file creating. Now implementing the test phase. You see how powerful the anti-gravity. Only you put the prompt and you just as a human you validate it whether it is okay or not. Then you can proceed with that. If it is not expected as per your requirement, you can also modify it and change it. But you see everything is the progress update, and then command running on the terminal. Everything is working parallelly. How super fast and how super powerful it is. So you see in the left hand side the code testing part, and all the code is also the testing is also going on, and what's going to finalize the documentation process. Already the code part is done. Now the documentation process. And this is the API implementation walkthrough. How we'll do, and the module details. And you see, and if it is okay, it looks okay for me. So let me accept all. Now I accept it just to check, and then this is the URL. We can check verification steps, how to verify it, and 100% the test also 6 passed, and testing is also done. Like all these things happen here. First, planning, designing, code writing for this requirement, and then tested it, test it, and also no, everything is how it's very little time I created the whole thing. And the document part, let me go to the documentation part. So here you can see the documentation part. Is the readme file, how we'll do it, everything end to end, just did it for me. So how it is like, for example, one more I want to test, uh, to create something. Just I want to give some one another prompt to create one end-to-end process, payment processor, right? So this is my third testing on the anti-gravity. So first I created a personal assistance, it's worked perfectly, and then other all these 5 agent I just put the command and created, and the e-commerce API. Now the other thing I just want to check. As you can see, like the task list, implementation, payment processor, creating the payment processor, creating for me, payment processor creating. You see, payment processor code created here. As for my e-commerce site, e-commerce AI agent, and payment is also operating. Test the coverage, verifying the payment processor, 100% coverage, running test with coverage report, walk through and notifying the user, and test pass, code coverage 100%, and I want to accept all. Done. So payment process and the testing and all that is done, right? So this is all about like how quickly we'll create your agent and create your process, then end to end you'll integrate and implement. So this is all about like how we'll create, how we'll download Antigravity, and how we'll install with your IDE, how we'll integrate with your IDE, and how we'll set up, and how you will put the prompt, and you see the action, like how it's working, right? So this is all about this video. So you explore on this and try to use it to improve your productivity, to develop AI agent, and the software development lifecycle, how it is easy and convenient. Okay, so thank you for watching my YouTube channel. I hope this video will be helpful to initially set up to Antigravity, and you will explore more on this. So don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Looking forward to see you in the next video. Thank you.